नमः हरिः ओम।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
तनूभिः देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः। स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः। स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो
अरिष्टनेमिः। स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ओम इंते वालेना
या ओम अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देवा वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मा जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां येन मुक्तिं विधेम। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरते य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शान्तु मांगानि मत्प्राणश्चक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरते य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वाहनं चपंडे वाहनं वृषभो यस्य वासुकिः कंठभूषणम् वामे शक्तिधरं वन्दे वकाराय नमो नमः वामे शक्तिधरं वन्दे वकाराय नमो नमः ओंकार मंत्र संयुक्तम् नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं तस्मै नकाराय नमो नमः ओम शंभवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय
नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय
त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय
त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय
त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय
कालाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय
नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय
नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय
सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय
सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय
श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
So we are doing a very important work to know the personality, the attributes, the influence, the kindness, and the Swarupa of Rudra available in any and everything in the nature. There is nothing extraneous to him. Therefore, Rudramayam Jagatu. The whole Jagat is Rudramayam. Because all gods stay in him, he stays in all gods, and therefore there is no difference between Rudra and other gods. So the thesis is Sarvaha Eshaha Hi Rudraha. Eshaha Rudraha Sarvaha Hi. Means this Rudra is Sarvaha. He is any and everything. And therefore Rudraya Tasmai Namaha. So to such all-pervasive, omnipresent, omnipotent God, Rudra, we make namaskara. And so we may say that general statement, but we should know the details also. And our knowledge is there when you know the trees of the forest rather than just know the location of the forest. Aranyas are there, but what is there in the Aranya? Each Aranya has got some kind of significance and importance, but all Aranyas put together, they have a number of trees, number of the things. And so at least trying to know some of that will be a part of knowledge. It is something like telling travel in the older sort is a part of education, is a part of experience. In the younger sort, a part of education. That's what Francis Bacon says. Travel means travel in order to know the mahima of the God, the personality of the God, the power of the God, and also what that God can do to us is important. Because God may be eminent, powerful, etc., etc., but what is the use of that eminence to our context of life, our situations of life? Because life upon the earth of every individual, whether man or animal, is same. Because Rudra is described as Sattvanam Pataye Namaha. See, all the sattvas, all the jivas, all the beings, good, bad, and different, come into existence only because of him, and he overlords them. The overlordship is that he has to manage, monitor, organize, see that their life will be safe and comfortable as far as possible, unless the beings themselves misbehave, abuse, overuse, don't use at all. So the other options are for the beings, but the general guidance is there always on our platform. Therefore, in the second Anuvakam, we have seen that he is Dhavate Sattvanam Pataye Namaha. See, Dhavate Pataye Namaha, Sattvanam Pataye Namaha, Dhavate Sattvanam Pataye Namaha. If you understand in three angles, first of all, Dhavate means running life, fast, speed, because the speed we can't control, but you have to control the speed, and you must have extra power to control. For example, a small child, the moment you leave from your lap the child, it will run off. Old people, senior citizens can't run. Hey, look, catch him, catch her. Because the speed is like that. But you must develop, unless you are confident that you can manage the speed of the child, don't meddle the child. That's what elders will tell. Nana, ni chat kaagapothe ethukoka. Modalaka. Don't go out with him. So this is the instruction given by the, because, but Rudra is exclusively different. He has got speedier than speed people. Therefore, for example, a deer is there, a cheetah, tiger is there. Deer runs with 90 kilometers per hour. That is the speed of the deer. But the cheetah, tiger is only 50 kilometers. But that deer has no confidence. And so every time it stops to gauge the distance from the chasing animal and also not escape it. Because of the stops, number of stops that it will have, because it is nature. So it is being ultimately overpowered by the tiger. Tiger has confidence with its speed. So the tiger is the god, the deer is the god, but it is all depends upon the people, the objects that are done. That's why Dhavate Pataye Namaha, Satwanam Pataye Namaha. So when Rudra is all in all, he is a war god in the sense that he has got such a roar, Uchair Ghosha, Akrandayate Namaha. So his Ghosha is so powerful. The moment he produces the noise or shouts out, enemies die. That's why Sita says, if Ramabana Dhwani were to be heard, you will not live. Don't give room for Rama to employ his arrows towards you, advises Ravanasura. See, if I am just waiting, allowing Rama to use his Banam, because see, Prativratya Hutasanena Yadi Bhasmasat Kuryamaham, with power of my Pativratya Agni, if I were to burn you, no, it's not that. But what is the chance given to the arrows of my husband who holds the bow and arrow constantly with him? So I should give a chance. That's why I'm not burning you. Wait for Rama's Bana to come to you. Like that, here also Ghoshayo and Akrandayate. When once the Ghosha and when interference of Rudra appears on the war ground, nobody can escape or nobody can get survived. Therefore, they go on shouting, crying with pain. Akrandana is the dhwani with pain. Akrandana is special pain. Whenever they are hurt very much, people keep on making a particular kind of pain-filled sound. So Akrandayate. And moreover, Patti Nam Pataye Namaha. Patti is the ground, land forces. All people who, because he is a land mover, because Rudra is a terrestrial god, and Vayu is the atmospheric god, and Surya Bhagavan is heavenly god. So this is how the classification of these gods have been done. So terrestrial god means available upon the earth, duty doctor. Therefore, is called Girisha, and all that is there for him. And then Pattinam Pataye Namaha and Satwanam Pataye Namaha. This is what we are. So we are slowly understanding what is Rudra, so that we can choose Rudra for our contextual relief and prosperity. If you want to have prosperity, if you want to get rid of the problems, if you want to get some kind of support, so because we have so many needs, man is in need. Indeed, he is in need. So that need has got to be attended to, because we are interested in the continuity of life. We don't want to break our life. Therefore, we're all needy people. Therefore, it is said, Satvanam Pataye Namaha. And now we go to the third one. Actually, I did. In this third Anuvaka, you see the peculiar quality of Rudra, that he is a big thief. So that thief means he must have also tolerance. And thieves are very clever people, highly intelligent people, and they have specializations in the art of thieving. థీవింగ్ ఆర్ట్, కళతన, దొంగతనం చేయడంలో కూడా రకరకాల దొంగలు ఉన్నారు. ఆ దొంగలను కనుక్కోవడం అంటే మీరు కూడా ఒక దొంగ అవ్వాలి. ఎటువంటి దొంగను కనుక్కోవాలో అటువంటి దొంగలుగా ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే అహేహ పాదాని అహిరేవ జానాతి. దేర్ఫోర్ he is called sahamana. Sahamana means winning over. Whoever is the offender, whoever is the dharmanachaka, and them he has to control and then see that they are removed or given advice to follow that. That's why he is called as a Bablushaya Namaha. Bablu is a bull. We have noted in the first para that he is a Bablusha. That is, he is riding a bull. What is bull? Bull indicates dharma. So he is taking care of those people who adopt dharma, who respect dharma. That's because whoever dharma lovers and promoters, he will take care of them. Therefore, Bablushaya Namaha. So for Bablusha, he has got that Sahamana, power of tolerance. And then Nivyadhina Avyadhininam Kataye Namaha. See, Nivyadha and Vyadha is the skill in the application of the arrows and bow and all those things. So Nivyadhina and Avyadhininam Pataye Namaha. So Nivyadhininam Pataye Namaha, Avyadhininam Pataye Namaha. See, this is something like a language, Sanskrit, such a language that it is very crisp and precise, and also you can always divide and then get more meaning. See, Nivyadhinam Pataye, Nivyadhine Namaha, and Nivyadhininam Pataye Namaha. So there are also some people who control such kind of archers and Yuddhaviras, and for all of them. And so Rudra must always strike a superiority. He cannot say that I am inferior, I cannot do it. No, he has got to have a flexible powers. It is like Krishna. Krishna could become a man, Krishna could become a Madhava. Depending on the contextual demand, he will be assuming the forms, and see that Dharmodharana he will be doing. And in the same case, Krishna and Rudra are not different. Because Rudra, though Vedic God, Rudra Shakti should be always flowing. And Rudra Shakti means Amma, Parameswari, Matru Devata. So that Shakti should be present there. Therefore, he is called, and Kakubhaya Namaha, Namaha Kakubhaya. Kakub andre directions. Dikkugalu. See, all these Dikkul, Anni Dikkullonu, there are so many gods, there are so many forces. So he is the controller of the activity in all the quarters that is taking place. In other sense, in Aruna Prashna, you have come to know that there are Suryas, and one Surya is only visible and working in one direction. That is, he rises in the east, sets in west. And what about the other directions? The other Suryas are there, but they are not visible, because Rudra is also like that. Rudra is visible at one place, but operative in other places. That is what is called good administrator. A good administrator, a powerful fellow, he will not go any and everywhere. Only a few selected places he will go. Otherwise, he has got his own delegation, and the work will be done. That's why it is said Kakubhaya Namaha. Therefore, every day morning in Sandhya Vandanam, we make namaskara. Om Namah Prachye Disheyascha Devata Etasyam Prativasanti Etabhyascha Namo Namah. So Prachya Devatas are there, and other Devatas are there. For all of them, the monitor is Shiva, Shambhu. Therefore, Kakubhaya Namaha. Nishanginaha. Nishanga means the tunira, that is the quiver where you can stock all arrows. And sometimes it's a Akshaya Tunira and all, because in olden days, for all gods, the immediate defense weapon was bow and arrow. Later on, so many designs of weapons have come into being. But what is the earliest available weapon common to all gods is the bow and arrow. Even Lalita Parameswari also has got Ichuko Danda Manditaye Namo Namah. Because she is very delicate, she takes to Ichu, sugarcane. And again, number of interpretations are there. Why she chose sugarcane bow, that itself is a big picture. So when you make dhyana and prarthana to Devi, holding the Ichu, Danda, then it has got a meaning like that. But this Rudra is a strong man power. Therefore, Nishangine Namaha. So Nishanga is that is, and also now onwards, we have got different kinds of enemies. How many kinds of enemies are there? All of them, I mean, enemies means they are all so asocial elements. They try to disturb all people, and so they don't allow the peace of the society. Actually, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. That's the work of all gods. Shanti upon the earth, Shanti to Antariksha Loka, Shanti to Juloka. When these three lokas are with Shanti, then Sarva Shanti. It is called Vishwa Shanti and Shantireva Shanti. So for all that Shanti, who is the root promoter, is Rudra only. And to knock away that Shanti, we have so many people. For example, Stenanam Pataye Namaha, Ishudhimate Namaha, Taskaranam Pataye Namaha, Vanchate Namaha, Parivanchate Namaha, Stayunam Namaha, Nicherave Namaha, Paricharaya Namaha, Aranyanam Pataye Namaha, Srukavibhya, Jigagumsaha, Mushtatam Pataya. So, Prakuntanam Pataya, Kulunchanam Pataya. Look at it. How many kinds of dongas are there? ఇంతమంది రకరకాల దొంగలు ఉన్నారు. ఈ దొంగలందరినీ తీసేస్తే గాని మోక్షం లేదు. ఎక్కడ ఏ దొంగ ఎలా ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారో పరమాత్మునికే తెలుసు అని అంటాం మనం. ఎట్లా పోయింది అంటే ఆ పరమాత్మునికే తెలుసు అంట. Because we cannot name and spot it out. Because our knowledge is limited. Our purview is limited. But unlimited knowledge, unlimited purview is Paramatma. Therefore, we have to salute. We have to admit that the nature is running so calm and otherwise, there is somebody behind pressing the button. If you are getting snow, we have got snow, 4 inches snow. And to get the snow button, you should push. The Paramatma, if you push the snow button, we have snow. Otherwise, he himself, because he has pushed the button, he has to push the other button to dry the snow all. So sometimes now he is trying to dry out. And now we see the ground, Prithvi Gandha and Prithvi Varna we are seeing. Like that, here also, you have got Stenanam Pataye Namaha. Stenaha is those fellow who take away, who snatch away things. So that's one kind of Stenanam Pataye Namaha. And Ishudhimate Namaha. So Ishudhi, that is, Ishu is the arrows. Nishangina Ishudhimate. Those people who keep their arrows ready, both one in hand, many in his quiver. So both, that is, you should not get exhausted of that. In fact, Arjuna is a blessed boy because he was presented with a Akshaya Tunira by Agni Deva and Sudarshan Chakra to Krishna. Krishnudiki Sudarshan Chakram ichesi, Arjunaniki Villu Gandivam ichesi, oka Akshaya Tunira ni ichestar. So Tuniram is something like Pushpa Vimanam, they call it. Because in olden days, people used to design, there will be always a place for 1 plus. 1 plus 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 plus. So there is nothing like Iruku, ilantam jaragandi ledu. If you go to Tirumala, Balaji Darshan, 100 people are there to tell you jaragandi. No, people don't do it because Paramatma is visible. He will give scope for all. Therefore, here Ishudemataye Namaha. And Taskaranam Pataye Namaha. You know, Stenas and Taskaras, they are also different departments of this thieving. So, Tatkaroti iti Taskaraha. See, Tatkaroti, something like Tatvamasi or Tat, you can't decide. So, that Tat is something which we have got to always disclose. If the police people come and ask you, please give me a list of the articles you lost, you may give list, but still the list is not exhausted. I don't remember. That is what is called Tat. So, no, slowly you remember. You have to give slowly, remember, and recapitulate and all this. That's human. But Shiva, Rudra knows all people what they're doing. Taskaranam Pataye Namaha. Those people who are doing that kind of Taskaratva is called as that kind of enemies are there. Then we have another class of beings. Vancha, Taskaran is also a Taskara, and at the same time he is a Taskaranam Pati. So both features are there in him. That is, he is a Taskara. Join Avnaina.
గురుగారు ಯಾವ లింక్ గురుగారు అది
నేను పంపించలేదు అది నాదవేదంలో చూడండి బాబు. See, there are parivanchana. Vanchate means those people who cheat. Vanchana kriya. And how they cheat, we don't know. They cheat because they ensure confidence in the yajamanas. మనకి ఇంటికి వచ్చే పని మనుషులు ఉంటారు. You believe them so much that they can never betray you. But having developed or instituted the attachment and confidence, suddenly they give way. They are called varivanchakas. Vanchakasya vanchakaha varivanchakaha. Vanchakanam vanchakaha vanchakaha. So this Rudra is also one who knows the know-how of the vanchakas. Cheaters and cheaters, and the Lord of them. And again, Stayunam Pataye Namaha. There are other kind of what called Stayus, and there are also a kind of thieves. We have got that Stayavaha who spread the thief art to all people. They are they train the thieves. But there are also so many people who are leaders who train how to thieve also. Them also he will be the Adhipati. And Nicherave Paricharaya Aranyanam Pataye Namaha. So those people who seek shelter in him, and those people who do lot of service to them, or who are Saranagati, for all of them he is the overlord. And again, Aranyanam Pataye Namaha. See, Aranya, take it in a sense that where there is no enjoyment. What is where there is no enjoyment? The Adhyatma Vidya, spirituality is not enjoying. Nobody loves spirituality. People want mundane life. See, Ranana is attraction. And Aranya Ranana is spirituality. Something like gold and Uma gold. So, if you do bhajan, if you say some good things, subhashitas, they will not like it. But Paramatma's grace, if there is the anugraha of God, we can start liking the Aranyas. Who will like Aranya? Vanaprastha is there, you know. In the 4 ashramas, we have also given the chance that Aranya, that is you should take ranana in the aranya. You should see enjoyment in non-enjoyment. For example, immediately if I want to quote, the doctors are there. They see only ugly things, but they repair and make it beautiful. Look at that. That's why they're all near God. They're gods only. So we always want to see beautiful things, but they have to see that is beauty. Ugly is beauty for them and attribute beauty. So Rudra is Aranyanam Pati. That is Ramana. That's why you call him as Venkataramana. See, Venkataramana, Venkata is Aranya. Ve means sin. Kata is cutting. So Papanasanam to do is a hard job. Roganasanam is a hard job. And all this kind of ugly things or difficult things, if he is able to repair and make people also like in it. Because Aranye Adhiyita, they say in Aruna Prashna, they say you should study this Aruna Prashna or Surya Bhagavan, Somas and all that, when in a secluded area. People love crowd. In crowd, you like to say, there is no crowd. If there is a crowd in the temple, oh, andar baga rush unda, aithe poi chuddam antaru. You don't like to go to temple when there is nobody in the temple. If you go to temple when there is nobody in the temple, then you really have a direct contact with the Paramatma. See, when I visited Tirupati in 1960s, Tirupati is at Tirumala, there was nobody. You could straight walk into temple and have darshan however long you want. Ensepu kaste Venkatramana Swami darshan chesukovachu. Now it is not like that. You cannot find that. So you must do Ekanta Seva. Even for Ekanta Seva to attend, so many people will be there. Anyway, here Aranyanam Pataya means you should try to detach yourself. And the sense of detachment is a great blessing. And we always look at, our eyes are there to look at the world. But there is inner eye to look yourself inside. That's why we have got inspection and introspection. We always see outside, but we have to have that. That's why who will give that kind of sentiment or feeling? It is Aranyanam Pataye Namaha, means it is only Rudra who can give that kind of orientation to be able to like the forest life. You know, when Rama said, don't come to forest, only my father asked me to Sita. Sita heard him, but afterwards said, no, you wherever you are, I am there. And I like forest. I like it. So in Ayodhya Kanda, last portions, if you read Ramayana, you will see how she never gave trouble to Rama at any count. She never complained. She just went, but Lakshmana and Rama took so much care as to see that Sita is never discomforted. So they gave top preference. If you read the last portions of Ayodhya Kanda, which I am doing, I understand how much cooperative is Sita. Only in the Ayodhya city, Kausalya, Dasaratha, and all people are wailing. How can Sita tolerate the forest life? But Sita is so oriented that she is all round. She loves, she likes, and all that. She was not scared of the wild animals or forest animals. So that's why Aranyanam Pataye will give you a sense that when you make a Rudra Radhana, Rudra Archana, Rudra Parayana, he will start telling you the spirituality. Why? Because they say that Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam, or there is also one more statement that you have to have Tattva Jnanartha Darshanam and Adhyatma Jnana Niratatvam. What we want is Adhyatma Jnana Niratatvam. That is, you should be always engrossed, liking the Adhyatma Jnana. Do bhajan, do kirtana, do visit temple, do homa. All this religious activity is important, but whether your mind is there or not with it, just do it. It's a physical act. Vivekananda says, when people asked him, how can I control your mind when I close my eyes? He said, no, mind is a truant. It's a mischievous animal sitting in on itself. So it will go, but it will not go away. It will come back again to you. So the going and coming back, don't bother. You keep on, you close your eyes, keep on. The mind goes and comes back. When it comes back, try to hold it. When it goes away, allow it to go. So it's a beautiful suggestion that Vivekananda given, because mind is something which will not listen to you, but ultimately you should be a victor. Like that, Aranyanam Pataye Namaha. And we have got in Aranya, talked about it. The next important difficulty is Sruka Vibhyaha. Sruka is a wolf. And wolves are known for extraordinary hunger. In English, people, they say that like hungry wolf. And so hungry wolf means, hungry means desire. So those people who will not stop desires, who are always fond of filling, even though man is the only one animal which will be eating, although there is no hunger. ఆకలి లేకపోయినా రోజంతా తింటూ ఉంటారు, ఏదో నములుతూ ఉంటారు, దవడలు ఆడిస్తూ ఉంటారు, దవడలు ఆడించాలని ఆశపడుతూ ఉంటారు. They want to make their lower jaw moving. That's what one says. So that's why Sukha Vipya means one who has got that kind of extraordinary desire, and for to fulfill the desire, you don't know, the bhallukas will come somehow. The bears will come. That's why see, when you go to forest area, they love the food scent. So whenever you are eating in a forest area, national park or anywhere, you should try to go to area and open your food in such a manner that the wolves do not get attracted on scent, smelling power. So when they come to know that food is available, the wonderful dishes which human beings do it, they rush after that. So to say, our eyes are there. All our indriyas are outside. They love the outside things. But looking at the outside, the indriyas must also have control and see that they become inward. So outward and inward. So the srukas are outward, are that problem. But jighagum sadbhyaha. Jighamsa is controlling, killing, and trying to curb that. So Rudra is authority for all those people who try to curb that in that manner. Because this is easy to say, but it requires a practice. Arjuna asked Krishna, all that you are teaching me is very good, sir. But how can you adopt your teaching? Then Krishna, because Krishna is a problem provider, at the same time, solution suggestor. Therefore, Krishna salute. Namo Krishnaya. Krishnaya Namaha. That's why, in Vaya Bazaar, that old man is sitting. Chinamayanu Pedamaya, Pedamayanu Chinamaya, Tintontundi entered. Because the Maya is something that will break. So here, we have got that Jighagam. Jigha is trying to win over the hunger, win over the outward attractions, and go inward. So go inward. And that's why Charma Chakshu is there. But we have got Gnana Chakshu also. That's why you make a second prayer. Bhadram karne visrunuyama devaha, Bhadram pasyema akshabhi ajatraha. There you see the word aksha. And you see that pasya. Pasya and aksha, these are the two things. Aksha is the eye, the sadhana. Just because we have got the sadhana, we should not lose ourselves. Therefore, pasya, you should be able to have that retina, antaschakshu, antarbuddhi. Antarbuddhi nuhimpuma is that. So even Anjaneya in Lanka, Shatru Kshetra, he was so careful that in his action, in his speech, in his movements, etc., was so that's why he says, there's a beautiful sloka in Ramayana, Valmiki says that one has that antarbuddhi must be there. That's why here is also jighagam sadbhyaha. And again, Mushnatam Pataye Namaha. Mushnata means nobody can detect what kind of loss they have experienced. So the aging, for example, is a mushnata. Mushika, you know that rat. Mushati karmanaha mushakaha. Mushati means steals away. See, what the rat has taken away, how the rat takes away, you can never discover.
Very clever. Right, sir.
ఆ ఇలి ఏం మాడిదియో ఆ ఎలకలు ఏం చేస్తుందో తెలీదు, తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది. ఒకసారి ఒక బ్రాహ్మణులు ఒక టెస్ట్ ఈ లెఫ్ట్ ఈజ్ ఉత్తరీయం సమ్వేర్ ఇన్ సంబడీస్ హౌస్. Suddenly after some time he comes and sees there was a big hole in that upper garment. Where is this? I never left it hole. But all this is done by a rat. Therefore, it's called Mushnata. And that kind of unknown problems also to be removed. And in other words, not only Rudra is again Shakti Swarupa, and Lakshmi Devi in Sri Suktam, you get this Mayantarayascha Bhakya Lakshmi. So Aditya Varne, there you are making a prayer to Mahalakshmi. Not only she is Sampada, but at the same time she is a provider of Sampada, removing all kinds of Alakshmis. Alakshmim nasayamyaham. So Alakshmulu kuda Ammavariki telusu. Manaku teliyani Alakshmulu Ammavariki telusu. That's exactly what is called Maya Lakshmi. Maya is Alakshmi. Maya Alakshmi also should be removed. That's exactly what is Rudra. So Rudra is Shakti Swarupaha. So Rudam Dravayati means in order to remove that kind, in order to cause Ghora, Aghora, Ghora, Tara, Ghora. So whatever be the Ghora, all gods are Ghoras only. Don't think that all gods are our friends. They are the best killers. In Aruna Prashna, it is said Agni, Surya, Chandra, and Vayu. They are the 4 killers. We don't think that they are killers. If I say they are killers, we become unhappy. No. Agni is not killer. Vayu is not killer. But you don't know. They have to kill us every day, every time. Gadiyarambuna takku takku mani kottu vegambu shabdambadi ayushyamul okkatakkatiga sopanambul diggun. So the Kala is Rudra. Kala Agni Rudraya. See here, Rudra is Kala Rudra and Agni Rudra. So he has got the time and fire, Shakti. Both are combined in his personality. It is very hard for anybody to overcome him. But only we have to only make prayer for his grace. Therefore, here it is said that, yes, Mushnatam Pataye Namaha. Understand? So Mushnatas are there. Every day we are losing. Then you every day you are standing before the mirror and checking your beauty. Oh, I am very beautiful. But suddenly you remember, you see the skin folds, white hair, and form changing. We are not sad. That's the Maya which God has given us. We are not unhappy. We are growing old. When young, everything is strong and sturdy and fresh. But every day we are doing, for the past so many years, I have been seeing mirror. But I am not at all unhappy when today we see mirror. That is the Maya with which all beings are living in the world. If that Maya were not to be with us, Mayavine Namaha. He is a Mayavi. Lakshmi Narasimha Swami is called Mayavi. But he is safe because Maya Titaya Namaha. He is not caught up in the Maya. He is not caught up in the Maya, but he casts the Maya. Something like a fisherman, he throws the net into the waters, but he is a thrower, but he doesn't know how the fish get caught. And for that Maya, he will put a mutton piece for the galam. And for the sake of the Maya of the food, the fish comes and opens the mouth and get caught. That's why it's called Maya Jala. Jala is the net.
Correct.
So Maya Jaladalli ellaru, all
Sikapadu.
people are taught. Therefore, here also beautiful it is called Ushnatam Pataye Namah. You can keep on talking on this. Next word is Asimadbhyaha Namaha. Asi is the katti, is a sword. Asi, the katti or the sword, is for both purposes. To have a sword with you for both purposes. That is Bhavahetine Namaha. Asi and Heti are Parya Shabdas. Heti, already we have come across. Hetin Bhavahetine Namaha. He will just nip off or cut off the incidents of birth and rebirth. Again, when you tell Vijjaya, so when he doesn't connect both ends of the bow, Vijyam Dhanukka Pardine, when you say that Vijyam Dhanu, see both ends means birth and death. Birth aitu andre death baratte. If not today, tomorrow. That's why Atharveda people say, Jaram Gachasisho. Oh, infant, you go to old age. Old age is the exit point and birth is the entry point. So entry and exit, both are there glowing in the auditorium. When you go to an auditorium, there is entry, there will be a bulb glowing. Oh, we can enter into that. And when you are inside the auditorium, there will be always exit lights. Is it not? So the moment entry is over, but we are only looking for the exit. So intermission means exit. Like that, here also we have got Asimadbhyaha. That is and moreover, the knife in the hand of a surgeon, the knife in the hand of a butcher. Imagine. Butcher hands knife is to cut ruthlessly the mutton, animal. But the same knife in the hand of surgeon to heal. To heal, the surgeon uses the knife. To kill, the butcher uses it. That's why I read one elegy on surgeon. A statue, underneath the statue of a surgeon in the Dharwad Government Hospital, there was one elegy or a poem praying or appreciating the surgeon's might. There, the first line was, this I remember when I read that particular elegy in Dharwad Government Hospital long back when I was a student, that knife in the hand of a surgeon, knife in the hand of a butcher. So our Rudra is also both. He has got knife, Asimadbhyaha. So there are people who hold a weapon with them to destroy or the other way around. Therefore, Asimadbhyo Namaha. And moreover, Naktam Charadbhyaha. Naktam is Ratri, night watchman. See, those people who are watchmen in the night, they have to be going with the armor. They have to be moving with the weapon, defense attack. You know, there is a special, all Punjabi Sikhs are granted to hold a dagger with them. That is really Sikh religion. They are the great warriors also. So a true Punjabi or a true Sikh will carry dagger because they are the defenders. They are permitted. So all devatas, they are all having the weapons in their hands, hands free, no hands free for them. Chaturbhuje Chandra Kalavatamse Kuchonnate Kunkumaraga Sone Undrechu Pasankusha Pushpabana Haste Namaste. All the four hands have got Pasha, Ankusha, Pushpabana. That's why she can't even eat food. Only she can see the food and get the grabbing. That's why we talk about Naivedya. And you remember the episode of Sri Ramakrishna. Kali appeared to him with 1,000 hands and one head. The moment Kali appeared, he laughed. Then Kali also laughed. Why are you laughing at me? Why don't you ask me? He said, when we have only one head and two hands, we are not able to tolerate the cold.
With one.
వర్షం పట్టిందంటే ఒక్క ముక్కును రెండు చేతులతో మేనేజ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాం. నీకేమో 1000 ముక్కులు, 1000 heads and 2 hands, whatever it is. So you see that all the problem. But here we see that naktam charadbhyaha. See, it is a hard job to be a watchman. That's why Shankaracharya in Shivaparada Stotra makes us total. He says that please don't give me the birth to be a night watchman. He says that I don't want to be a watchman in the nights. Naktam charadbhyaha. But Rudra is a guardian even for them. Those people who move in the nights and them also this. And again, Rudra is prakruntanam pataye namaha. Prakruntaha, kruntati means nashanam karoti. So whatever kind of plundering, something like, that this Trump has done a lot of havoc within 4 hours in the White House. So that's why it is called prakruntana, trying to disturb the peace and show the authority, and doesn't want to, something like Dhritarashtra. The Dhritarashtra doesn't want to lose his chair. He, at the cost of his 100 sons being killed in the war, at the cost of number of difficulties, he wants his chair. Dhruram Rashtram Dharayati iti Dhritarashtraha. Something like that. There are more Dhritarashtras. Therefore, Prakruntanam Pataye Namaha. So he is the Lord, he is the Prakrunta and Prakruntanam. That means he knows the art of living. What art of living people are talking. Even to know the thieving tactics, managing the thieves itself is a great management principle, is it not? Because the police people are also given. There are police, we should not trust police much because they are given training to catch thieves. Unless you are a thief, you can't catch the thief. దొంగను దొంగే పడతాడు. కాబట్టి ఆ దొంగతనం యొక్క టాక్టిక్స్ తెలియాలి అంటే ఓన్లీ దొంగకే తెలుసు. అందుకోసం అందరూ దొంగలే సినిమా తీశారు. అవర్ తెలుగు పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ ఎ మూవీ, అందరూ దొంగలే. ఎస్వి రామారావు వాజ్ ది గ్రేట్ హీరో దేర్. హీ షోస్ హౌ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈస్ దొంగలు. Nobody is faithful unless one is a donga. He cannot survive in this world. So that's why he says that Prakruntanam Pataye Namaha. But Ushnishine Namaha. Ushnisha is the headdress, turban. In olden days, you observe all people used to have headdress. Head has to be protected. Head should not be exposed. Therefore, people used to, ఆ రోజుల్లో తిట్టేవాళ్ళు, వాడికి హెడ్డే లేదురా అంటే టర్బన్ లేదు అని. My father used to scold headless fellows. What is head? Turban is the head. So if people enter with turban in double-decker buses, they would put mind your head. Mind your head. Because your head may be low, but turban will hit you. Therefore, Ushnishine, even today, when they do special puja to Balaji Venkatramana, all Purohit have got to have a Ushnisha. Without headdress, you are not supposed to worship Vishnu or Rudra or anybody. Rumal, that's what's called Rumal. That you have to cover your head. You should not expose, because he is a Viptakesha and he is a Kapardin. Though maybe Kapardin, but if you want to worship Kapardin, you should be a Viptakesha. Who is Viptakesha? Shankaracharya. Sannyasi. He clean shaven head. So to worship Rudra, who is a Kapardin, you have to have the Tyaga. Yagna. Yagna means Tyaga. Yagna means Ahvana, Devata Ahvana, Dravya Sekarana and Dravya Tyaga. These three things. But more than that, you have Yagna means Yagna means Tyaga Buddhi should be there. Therefore, that Ushnishine, that is turban. And in fact, Dharwad, Uttara Karnataka people, they will wear a turban, which will be a turban length 13 yards. The turban which the Lingaites in the Uttara Karnataka use, it will have Dharwad, Hubli, Kade, 13, so much length, 13 yards turban. My God, I don't know. How can they bear the weight of the turban? We used to comment upon the turban to our professor S.N. Nandimat. He used to have a very big turban and bigger than the head that he has got. So head becomes small. So that's why, anyway, Ushnishane means with headdress. He has got that. And Giricharaya Namaha. So Ushnishanam Pataye Namaha also you should remember. That is, Rudra stands above all these people. And Girichara. Giri is the mountain. Giri is the terrestrial, where there is no road laid. All rugged slopes. You have to balance your body very, very much. But in the Giris, you find a lot of vegetation, lot of flowers, lot of things. Unfortunately, Rudra loves those flowers which are found on the mountain regions, on the terraces. That's why you know that Vyagrapada, he's got a great Maharshi, Ashtavakra, Vyagrapada. He has been blessed to have a tiger foot by Lord Shiva, because his foot used to be having a lot of injury and blood oozing out, because he never cared. He cared the bhakti to Rudra, not cared his body. Rudra is a Mruda. He took a lot of pity on this and said, what do you want? Then he said, I don't want anything. Rudra desired. Father said, no, you are coming to mountains all the time. So I will make whenever you come to the mountain to collect flowers, Tummi Pulu puja cheyadamante. And to collect the Tummi Pulu, which Shiva likes more, Linga Pulu, Tunga Pulu, Tumma Pulu. He was given Tumma Pulu chetlu, they are grown by themselves on the slopes of the mountains. And one or two you find near our house, if you are lucky, if Rudra is gracious, your house. Small one. It needs a lot of concentration, focus. See, to collect, because the Tummi Pulu will be more in number. But you have to, from one tree itself, you get a bunch of them. Like that, here you got Giricharaya. So all those people who move about in the mountainous areas, who live in the mountainous areas, and he himself is a Girichara. Chara is moving, not stationary, not living in mountains, but moving in the mountains. That's why Giricharaya and Kulunchanam Pataye Namaha. Kuluncha is grabbing the land. The plunderers, they just government lands they occupy, they build their houses. They build shops. Recently we saw in Facebook, some all Christians have taken hold of a mountain near in Guntur area, Yatlapalli or something like that, and they are building the shopping malls there. It's a mountain, they are destroying the mountain, building the. So don't know. These are called kulunchas. You understand now? If you have got two sides, if you are lazy to build, the next fellow who has sight, he builds, he will take 4 feet of your land and build a compound wall. If you go to court, you will go to court for 30 years to get the 4 feet back. 30 years is bad. So we lose. In fact, in Bangalore, my house is like that. See, we have lost some, because the next house wala, grabbed some 2 feet only. So 2 feet, don't bother. Otherwise, people are there very much land grabbers. That's why they are called kulunchas. And such people also, Rudra is also one like that, because he moves all mountains. He claims that he is a mountain lord. So no mountain is not overlorded by Rudra. So he's also a Kuluncha, in other words. But he's also Pati of Kuluncha. Kulunchanam Pataye Namaha. So like that we can keep on. Now we come across the factories, factory owners. And this called arrow making factory, bow making factory. So there's industrialist. So Rudra is a big industrial engineer or industrial engineer, industrialist, and he's a owner of the industries and everything. Let me say that we have to come to know that Rudra is mundane, extra mundane, super mundane, and beyond it. That's why we have to think of Rudra. Rudraya Tasmai Namaha. Well, I can keep on going on, but Kalagni Rudra will remember you.
Kalagni Rudra.
Kala is, Agni is the time limit. So I think this week we are just going to reflect on these names.
Okay.
And these are not negative, but negative and positive both are there in the world. First negative comes, then only it will be repaired and adjusted. First injury is there, and injury is repaired, and then you become all right. Infection is there. What is infection? Absence of affection. Affection ledu ante infection. What food you take, if it doesn't agree in the stomach, it will be infected. Indigestion. So absence of affection is infection.
Infection.
And so presence of love is kopam. Indignation means behind indignation there is love. But kopanga unnaru ante mee meeda interest undi. Otherwise people don't do that.
It's a good word
Amma
for
is
it.
angry because Amma loves you. But
Yes,
we have to look at the love of the Amma and then feel happy and try to correct.
Good.
If you are angry at the anger of the Amma, you are at loss. Kopaniki kopam reply kaadu. Kopaniki prema reply. Obedience reply. That's what all sadhus will tell us. So behind kopam, there is love. So here we say that Kulunchanam pataye namo namaha. Om swasti sahana bhavatu.
Sahanam gunattu sahaviryam karavavai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai.
Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti
Shanti.
Harihi Om.
Om.
Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Veda Purushasirvadostu. Om Tat Satu. So here you see Ma Vidvishavahai.